Hey everyone, if you're trying to upload photos to Photoroom and keep getting upload errors, failed uploads, or images that won't load, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Photoroom upload problems in 2026. First, check your internet connection. Since Photoroom uploads images to cloud-based servers for processing, a slow or unstable connection can interrupt the upload process. Next, try uploading the image again. Temporary network glitches can sometimes cause a single upload attempt to fail even when everything else is working correctly. Another common fix is verifying that the image file is supported. Make sure you're using a compatible format such as JPG, JPEG, or PNG, depending on Photoroom's current requirements. You should also check the file size. Very large images may take longer to upload or may exceed platform limits. If necessary, reduce the image size and try again. If you're using the mobile app, make sure it has permission to access your photos and storage. Missing permissions can prevent uploads from working properly. And that's how to fix Photoroom upload errors in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, verifying the file format, updating the app, and clearing cache will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.